Unlock the power of coconut, health, beauty, and beyond. Welcome to Mrs. P's Remedy Revolution. In this video, we explore the incredible benefits of coconuts. Discover how this tropical superfood can enhance your health, boost your beauty routine, and provide versatile solutions for everyday wellness. Unlock the power of coconut and revolutionize your lifestyle with us. Number 1. Skin health. Coconut oil moisturizes skin, reduces inflammation, and fights infections. Number 2. Hair care. Coconut oil nourishes hair, promotes growth, and prevents breakage. Number 3. Heart health. Coconut contains healthy fats that support heart health and reduce cholesterol. Number 4. Weight loss. Coconut boosts metabolism, curbs appetite, and aids in weight management. Number 5. Digestive health. Coconut aids digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes gut health. Number 6. Immune support. Coconut contains antimicrobial properties that boost immunity and fight infections. Number 7. Bone health. Coconut strengthens bones, prevents osteoporosis, and promotes bone density. Number 8. Brain function. Coconut improves cognitive function, memory, and mental clarity. Number 9. Blood sugar control. Coconut regulates blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity. Number 10. Blood sugar control. Coconut regulates blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity. Incorporating coconut into your daily routine offers a multitude of health benefits, supporting your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of holistic health and wellness. Until next time, subscribe for more videos from Mrs. P's Remedy Revolution.